guys! Welcome to my channel, your home properties within yours. Again, this is Kay Nadera, your Bulacan Realtor. And I'm here at Grand Sycamore, located here at Bulac, Santa Maria. So this is our affordable project here na ranging from 1.3 million. And guys, FYI, wala na po tayong end unit. Tayo ay inner unit na lang and it's fast selling guys kasi nga affordable and ang ganda ng project natin. Syempre, kita mo pa naman ang ating features, ang ating facade. Very elegant guys. This is a bear type unit townhouse. So, this is our VK1. Wala na po tayong VK2. Wala na tayo. So, ito na lang. Wala na tayong car part. Inner unit na lang tayo guys. Imagine nyo, wala yan. So, this is our project na napakabilis kahit walang car park, guys. Nauubos talaga siya, guys. So, konti na lang ang ating units available. Pero I'm going to give you a vlog here. Siyempre, kung new kayo sa channel ko, kailangan i-update ko kayo sa ating mga project na magaganda dito sa Bulacan. So, tingnan naman, turnover pa lang ng pinto natin. Ang ganda na, steel door, no? So, dito ang ating turnover unit. Bear type. High ceiling, pwede siyang abang na for second floor or loft, pwede. So, what's nice is bear type siya, pero meron ka ng partition here for your bedroom. So, if you're young and looking for something to invest and you're earning at least 25,000 pesos, pasok na sa Pag-ibig Financing itong bahay na to. So, bawal to sa mga maarte na gusto malaki ang floor area, pero 25,000 ang sahod. No, guys. Ito lang tayo, guys. 25,000 pesos, pasok na tayo, guys, sa Pag-ibig Financing. Meron ka ng napakaganda. Ako, gusto ko na to. Ang ganda pa ng turnover mo dito. Paano pa pag napaayos mo to ng interior? Pwedeng-pwede. So, it's either your investment or your first home. Ang ganda pa ng turnover ng iyong window. Yan. So, this is your bedroom, no? Na pwede mo pang palagyan ng loft dito. Yan. So, yan. So, pag turnover, ganito na to. Meron ka ng bedroom talaga. Tapos, this is your kitchen area, your dining area, no? Kitchen area. So, ito yung iyong countertop. May tiles ka na dyan. Ganda rin ng access door mo. Ganda ng turnover ng access door mo. Diba? And you have your toilet and bath. So, this is your toilet and bath. So, you have your toilet here, your lavatory. Kasama na yung tiles, guys, for turnover. So, lilipat ka na lang talaga. No? So, papalagyan mo na lang ng loft yan kung gusto mo ng may second floor or mas may space ka sa iyong unit. So, pwede to paupahan or first home nga. Ang ganda. Yan. And, di ba napakita sa'yo, gusto ko rin yung service area niya kasi spacious. Tapos, naka-concrete na siya. Considering na bear type to pag turn over, actually, kalipat-lipat na siya pag turn over kung di ka naman maarte. Pero, you have your beautiful quality home. Yan. Guys, this is by AJ Mark Holdings and Development. So, ayan ang iyong service area, ang spacious siya. So, dito yung laundry area mo. Ito yung hangganan ng iyong lot. So, yan. This is our VK1 model. So, if you're interested, guys, come on, let's go. Let's talk about the price. So guys, nagustuhan nyo si ating VK1 Townhouse Model Unit Bear Type located here at Bulac, Santa Maria. Syempre, malapit lang to sa highway. Napakalapit sa highway. Meron ka mga bus na dumadaan dyan going to Balintawak. Then meron din tayo pa Santa Maria. So, very accessible tong location na to, guys. And if you're interested, guys, malapit lang din. Pag ano mo lang, dire-diretso mo lang, NLEX ka, no? And malapit ka lang din yan sa MRT7. As boundary pa siya ng San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. So, if you're interested sa ating napaka-affordable project here, ito lang po ang ating total contract price. Yan. Inner unit, guys, to ha. Inner unit. Yan. And ating reservation napakamura. For just 5,000 pesos, you will have your first investment, no guys? And syempre, ang ating required income, napaka-ganda lang din. So, bagay na bagay talaga to, lalo na sa mga young people na looking for their first investment. Now, they can consider na rin sa savings na rin. So, turnover natin guys is 2 to 3 years. Ito ang ating estimated equity or down payment payable for 2 years or 24 months, guys. So, if you're interested, guys, no walk-ins, message me directly on my WhatsApp or Viber and let's book a tripping or schedule. Huwag niyo akong biglain, guys. Let's schedule it kasi minsan patong-patong schedule. So, let's message me here para makapag-schedule tayo ng tripping. And I hope to see you soon and hear from you soon, guys. Again, thank you for liking and subscribing to my channel. This is again Kay Nadera, your Bulacan Realtor. Thank you. Bye!